A quick warning, I think the entire crypto markets are about to see a big dump or a big flush, and nothing like the little corrections we've seen, quite a serious one. The reason why is the following. Let me run you through this real quick. Number one, we are seeing tons of Bitcoin and Ethereum being sent to exchanges. We're talking about thousands and thousands of BTC, dormant BTC, that haven't moved in years and years and years, being sent to the exchanges right now. You can see here, for example, Matrixport just deposited 88,000 Ethereum, which is $400 million, to Binance Exchange. And they're obviously not doing that to safeguard, right? Yes, maybe it's for staking, maybe it's a psyop, you can say all these kind of things, but this is just one person. You can see there are many of these transfers happening, and huge influxes of coins to exchanges means likely most of the time that whales or market makers, or wherever these entities are preparing for a big sell-off. What you can also see here is that we are currently at Ethereum unrealized profits that haven't been seen since the very top of the previous cycle, November 2021. That means if there's huge profits unrealized, people are going to start realizing profits and start selling. And when the buying stops and the selling increases, we basically get a bear market or a major sell-off. And in my opinion, also just gut feel, it's about time that we see a serious flush. We haven't seen like a $10,000 or $15,000 drop in Bitcoin in quite a while. We also have a solar eclipse happening this Sunday, 21st of September. That could be something where on a Sunday it's a liquid and an eclipse. Sometimes these things tend to result in major market movements. But one thing to remember, and this is a pattern that these whales tend to use, is they can't just go and market dump a whole lot of coins, because it will dump the price, meaning if they're consistently selling at market with huge quantities, the price drops and they get less value for their coins, which is obviously not what they want to achieve. So a pattern that they tend to use is they use perpetual futures to push the market up, leverage, pushing it up while they're offloading their spot. So it's completely possible that we still see Bitcoin and the rest of the market move a bit higher. For example, Bitcoin to go into that Fibonacci golden pocket, $119,000, $120,000. They push it up on perps, they sell, they offload their spot. Once they finish selling, they close their futures position, and the whole market massively dumps in a very quick way. So I don't know if we're going to drop straight from here or if we go up to 121st, but I wanted to share this information with you ahead of time so that you have more information to make your own decisions with your own funds. If you want to learn more about trading and leverage trading specifically, click the link in my bio. I have a free leverage trading course about to launch real soon.